If you're a seller on Walmart, shipping can make or break your profits. Today, we're diving into Walmart's simplified shipping program, and you're going to log into Walmart. Once you're in Walmart, you're going to go into the settings icon right in the top right hand corner, up over there, and then you're going to check out the different settings. I'll zoom in a little bit. But you can see right here, simplified shipping settings. You're going to click right there and it's going to take you to this next page, which is the new simplified shipping settings page, right? Very nice, very clean. And it kind of just gives you a nice little overview of everything. And it boosts sales by 10% with faster delivery promises. You get protection against late deliveries caused by carrier delays. Finally, Walmart. It's finally here. Save up to 30% on referral fees. They're just banking. So they're just like, look, here's money. Sign up for this thing because we made it. And we want to feel good about ourselves. And that's pretty much the gist of it. You're just going to click get started. And you just set up carriers. You're like a UPS, USP. You just set up as many carriers as possible. Bang, 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 bang. And then Walmart decides the rest. And it's practically all automated. So you manage custom shipping rules with flexible rates to coverage to multiple regions. Use only carriers you're planned to fulfill with and follow our recommendations to protect your on-time delivery rate at fulfillment. So pretty much Walmart's going to be telling you which ones to buy. It's like, you'll buy UPS. And then you're like, okay, you buy it, you're protected, you're good to go at the end of the day. Very exciting stuff. Very proud of Walmart that they're finally implementing it. And this is it. It's the protection of your actual account health. Because what happens is you drop it off at USPS and they throw it against the wall. Where to go? Your account gets suspended because Walmart's like, I know they scanned it in, but it's still your fault. And you're like, man, I don't know what to do. Carrier delays, late scans, lost packages, you name it, happens all the time, right? And what happens is you get the order, and now you buy the WSS label, and you print it, and you're good to go. And Walmart's obviously going to be on this page with you, the little bot, and it's going to be like, buy this one, and it's going to help you get that at the end of the day. Sometimes you're not eligible for this service because your metrics are already bad. Just improve your metrics, right? In order to improve your metrics, you're going to want to use a service like UPS or FedEx. Usually UPS is the best. They cost a premium, but shipping out with them so that way it gets out on time and shipping out same day for at least a little bit of time. They kind of have like a little bit of an overview here. It's a little bit confusing. I like that the images are much better, but you can kind of just like look at here, the criteria, pro tips. They have a little video, which is nice. So kind of go back to the top. Here we go. You can also customize carrier methods by region. For example, you can use expedited carriers in some regions and ground carriers in others. Probably if it's like close to your house, you're going to use ground. If it's like really far, you're going to use expedited, things like that. You can kind of see them clicking through. And it looks like they're changing the shipping template they're changing it all to that WSS. And it looks like they're just using UPS and FedEx. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed they're not using USPS? Very nice, Walmart. Very exciting. So they're excited because you can tell they're trying to make the customer experience better for the buyers. And for the sellers, they're like, this is also going to help the sellers. It's going to be awesome. We're going to get everybody to enroll. We're going to give them discounts, right? So I'm, fingers crossed it does work out and they are backing what they said, where if the shipment's late, it's not your fault and all these other things. Fingers crossed, because Walmart, sometimes they fall short. But I do give them kudos for implementing something like this so close in the holiday season. So a little clap for Walmart for that. If you're a Walmart seller, I definitely recommend you check out more of our videos. Drop a like if you learned something. Subscribe to our channel. We're doubling down on Walmart. We know exactly how it works, the SEO, the backend, the PPC, the design, and we're experts in it. So if you needed a consultant, somebody to manage your account, you can click the link below in the description or feel free to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.